the main problem is it went black when the noise level is high. Let's show it. As you see now, the preset level is higher. So we leave the room, and when the preset level is high, when the noise level is high, the monitor goes to black. Now we have connected the receiver to normal LCD, and as you see, our 7-inch LCD has now connection. But when the signal level has noise, as you see, it goes to black. So we don't want a kind of problem in our way of usage or usage area. So could we prevent this problem by something that we could apply to the main board of the LCD?